I found the secret to brighter skin with no dark spots in 2 weeks. This product changed everything. Let me show you how.
Welcome to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I brightened up my skin and cleared out my dark spots in 2 weeks. I'll be showing you the exact products that helped me and how I use them so that you can actually use them to get the same result. The first product I used that took my skin from looking this way to looking like this in just 2 weeks is this Pure de Lune cleanser. Is this lotion Pure de Lune cleanser? I mostly use this to clean my face at night before I go to shower. What I do basically is to soak up my cotton wool or cotton pad with this particular lotion, Pure de Lune cleanser, and use it to wipe my face just as you can see and allow it to sit on my face for a minute or two before I go into shower. I usually use this in my skincare routine once or twice weekly. But when I had those terrible dark spots, honestly, I was incorporating this like 2 or 3 times in a week in my skincare routine. And what this lotion, Pure de Lune cleanser, does is it's going to cleanse your skin, get rid of the excess dirt and sweat on your skin. This thing right here is magic. Like if you're battling with pimples, acne, dark spots, this is basically going to help you, and is a good exfoliant as well. Like this is going to exfoliate your skin. This right here works like magic, and it was one of the products that helped me clear my dark spots and equally brightened up my face. I usually leave my lotion Pure de Lune for a minute or two. Please do not allow it to sit on your skin for more than 2 minutes. And once it's 2 minutes, I just get into the shower and then go in with the next product, which is this Madagascar Centella Foaming Face Wash. This is a face wash, and this is what I basically use to wash my face. So once it's a minute or two, I pour water on my face first to rinse off the lotion Pure de Lune cleanser, and immediately after that, I lather this up and use it to wash my face. So this is my face cleanser, and it's so gentle on the skin. This is a foaming face wash, and what it practically does is to remove the remaining dirt and impurities on your skin. So this does not do too much. It's just to wash your face and cleanse your face properly. Immediately I'm done washing my face, I usually let my face air dry. After that, the next or third product I go in with is my aqua licorice toner. Guys, if you've used aqua licorice toner, you will know that this is a very nice toner. It's going to help tone your skin, brighten up your complexion, and give you that even smooth, brighter looking face. So this right here works like magic for me. Practically spray my face toner. So if you don't know how to apply your face toner or how you can use a toner, you can check out my previous video on why your brightening toner is not working. Okay, aqua toner is a really nice toner that is going to help brighten up your skin, hydrate your skin, tone your face. Even if you're a sensitive skin type, you can use this, like you're not going to react to it. This is suitable for all skin types and complexion, and it's going to give you that brighter looking face. It contains licorice root extract, and that is one of the reasons why it is a brightening toner. Once I'm done spraying my toner, I usually let my toner air dry before going in with my next product, which is the Stiam Vitamin C 24 Surprise Serum. This right here is one of the secret ingredients that is going to effectively brighten up your skin. See, this is one of the products that saved my skin and took my skin from looking horrible, dull, and uneven to looking so much brighter. This right here is a really nice and effective serum that is going to brighten up your complexion and give you that beautiful glowy skin. Like if you really want to achieve that brighter face with no dark spots, girl, go cop this particular serum. You're going to love it. It works like magic. I'm going to be doing a proper review video on this, but for now, just know that this right here saved my skin, and it can save yours if you're struggling with dark spots uneven skin tone, and a dull looking skin. This is going to help brighten up your face in a space of 2 weeks. And that is because of the type of vitamin C it is formulated with. This Tiam vitamin C serum have made my skin to look so much bright. Even to date, like I still get compliments on how smooth, even and youthful my face is. Like my face looks so much brighter. And by looking at my before and after, you can tell how effective this serum is. It works like magic, and I'll definitely recommend this. Once I'm done applying my vitamin C serum, I go in with my next product, which is this Bismuth face cream. This is one of the products I incorporated into my skincare routine to be able to clear out my dark spots. It's a lightening face cream, and it's going to tackle your dark spots, your pigmentation, your discolorations, and give you a brighter, fairer, glowing face. If you want your face to look so much brighter, this alone is going to brighten up your skin and give you that smooth, spotless face. This face cream is super effective and it works like magic. If you have used this Bismuth face cream, you will know what I'm talking about. It's suitable for anyone battling with acne, pimples, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. This is going to give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing, brighter looking face. The only downside to this Bismuth face cream is the texture. It has a very thick texture. One trick I usually follow when applying this face cream is to mix this up with a regular moisturizer, which is my Olay anti-wrinkle cream. Immediately I'm done applying the Bismuth face cream, I go in to apply this so that it will enable the Bismuth face cream absorbing properly. So that is why I basically layer it up with a regular moisturizing cream. When you're using this Bismuth face cream, it should be used only at night. Do not use this during the day. In fact, all these products I've shown you guys is what I do in my nighttime skincare routine. Like this is how I layer up in my nighttime skincare routine to be able to brighten up my skin and clear out my dark spots. So these are all the products I use at night. So the only changes in my morning skincare routine. So for my morning skincare routine, I do not use lotion peel alone. I usually start off with my face wash to wash my face in the morning. And once I'm done washing my face, I go in to apply my aqua toner. And immediately I'm done applying my aqua toner, I go in with this Tiam vitamin C serum. Now, like I told you guys, I do not use the Bismuth face cream in the morning. So I usually apply my always bright face cream in place of the Bismuth face cream. So this is what I use in the morning as my face cream. And sometimes I can use this Olay anti-wrinkle cream. So these are the two face creams I usually use in the morning. The next or last product I go in with in my morning routine is this Sundance sunscreen. This is the sunscreen I use in my morning skincare routine to protect my skin from the sun and save the changes that is going on my skin. If you really want to brighten up your skin and clear your dark spots, make sure you do not skip your sunscreen. Get a good sunscreen, add it in your skincare routine, and watch how your skin is going to look so much bright and radiant. Now, I forgot to tell you guys a simple trick I do at night, and that is using vitamin E capsule as the last product in my face care routine at night. I usually use this vitamin E capsule to seal up the whole moisture and allow the products to be able to penetrate in deeply into my skin. So that is why I use my vitamin E capsule. I'm actually trying to make a proper review for you guys on the different vitamin E and all of that. So I've been trying out mostly vitamin E at night. So no rush. Make sure you're subscribed so you get notified when I upload all those videos, because I'm still going to upload them. Another tip I forgot to mention is do not use Bismuth face cream as a spot treatment cream, because it will end up brightening up that particular place that you're trying to spot treat. Don't use it as a spot treatment. Use it as a proper face cream. Massage it all over your face when you're using it so that your face will look uniformly toned. These are all the products I use and how I use them in both my morning and nighttime skincare to brighten up my face and clear out my terrible dark spots. So all those products saved my skin, and it can actually save yours. So I hope this video helps one or two people that are looking for solutions to brighten up their skin and clear their dark spots in a space of 2 weeks. So make sure to give it a try if you're battling with dark spots, uneven skin tone, or you have a darker face than your body. So make sure to try it out and let me know how it worked for you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this video really helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe. Catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
So they got fake.